In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom print area in Google Sheets. So if you want to go and print a specific area in your Google Sheets, there's basically two different methods to do this. The first method is just by highlighting the section that you want to print. Click on File in the top navigation, click on Print, and then click on the drop-down arrow next to Print, and click on Selected Cells, and just like that, that's going to print this specific area that we just highlighted. Now that's the first way that you can go and print a specific area. The second method is just by coming back over to File in the top navigation, click on Print, and click on Set Custom Page Breaks. Now what you can do is adjust these page breaks to go and select where you want the area to be printed. So if I go and move this line up to the top of the spreadsheet like this, then I go and click on Confirm Breaks, it's only going to print that specific section that we just selected. And then you can go and press Next, and then you can begin printing your document. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.